Okay, so here's the plan. Need to turn the boat, and I'm going to try and do this myself. I've got 4 pulleys here, some eye bolts, and some snap shackles. And so the plan is to put 3 of the pulleys right there. No, 2 pulleys there. I'm sorry, 2 pulleys there. And 2 pulleys on this stern eye. And then I'm just going to tie the bow eye up to the ceiling. And by having the 2 pulleys here and the rope tied to another anchor point here, and then going through pulleys here on the stern, I should be able to get a 4-to-1 advantage to allow me to easily pull this boat vertical and then let it lay down on its side. I'm also going to get a whole bunch of cushions from my outdoor furniture, and we'll see how that works out. Alright, I just had to drill out these 2 eyes a little bit bigger so it would fit onto this carabiner. Alright, so here I am standing on top of the boat, and I'm tying a bowline knot to this one anchor point. From there, it'll go down through one of the pulleys on the boat, back up to the ceiling through a pulley, back down to the boat through a pulley. Then it goes back up to the ceiling and just changes direction. And having those pulleys and that anchor point and that, according to what I read on the internet, gives me a 4-to-1 mechanical advantage. So to lift it 4 or 5 feet, I got to pull 5 feet would be 20 feet of rope. Right, that looks like it's gonna work. Okay, so I think this is going to be the final iteration. I've got 2 blocks here, 2 blocks up, and then 1 end attached. That should give me 4 to 1. And then up in the front, up in the bow, I've just got it tied to this bow eye and through a loop in the ceiling. And so that's going to stay fixed. The goal is to lift this up here until the boat is vertical, and then push the bottom side over, and the boat should continue to turn as I lower this down on that side over there. So you'll just see it kind of rotate, and hopefully it goes slowly. All of these pulleys and ropes and eyelets are all rated to take this weight. So I'm going to wait for my neighbor because I don't really want to make a YouTube injury video. So next up, neighbor and rotate the boat. We're good. So I usually do voiceover, so it doesn't matter. No?
Keep going. I just want the cushions over here.
See if we can,
How much further?
probably a little bit more. Can you go more towards the center and push that portion of it?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
I guess you gotta do it. No, it's no big deal. Yeah.
More?
Yeah, let's see. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do.
What?
I am going to push it towards you a little bit.
Yep.
Okay, I see we're gonna have a problem because well, hold on. It's gonna want to flip towards you.
Yes.
And that's dangerous
Yes.
because that's a lot of weight.
Yes. Can we get the back end on that coaster? What do you call it? Furniture movers?
Hold on. Hold.
I got it.
So here's. I don't think the furniture movers. The problem is see this. There's slack, and the slack is going to want to have it come about. The top of it's going to want to come like a foot towards you before it catches the rope that I have in my hand.
Okay. I can live with that.
So what we want to do is it go really slowly to you,
Okay.
and then you tell me how much. Unless you want me to retie this shorter.
No, go ahead.
Here, let me retie it shorter. Just for safety's sake. Let me just, if you can balance it for 1 second here. Let me pull up my pants, let it fall off. That should be safe. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Slowly. Should start to fix the weight now. Okay.
And we need to pull the bottom toward you.
Yep. I've got all the weight.
What's it rubbing on?
Huh?
It's gonna come down on the furniture mover, isn't it?
Nope. Shouldn't mess up.
All the cushions on this side, so when we get,
Yeah, well, these aren't going to be the final cushions.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm going to try and get these white ones. I've got a couple more inside. Well, I don't think anyone was injured. Were you injured?
No. Oh, my back. Oh, my back.
Are you still alive? I think that made for some really good video.
It worked. I don't think we gouged anything up here with the door.
No, it's fine.
No.
All right. Well, I'm going to get cushions and put them underneath first.
Throw me a couple. Got me blowing my nose.
It was off. So try and get them towards the end. Slide it all the way under. Alright, and then we'll lower the bow onto this one. Get over here, Fido. Come here.
You want me to put him in the boat? Do not piss in the boat.
Next, the work starts inside the boat.